Hello mga choy, natadri karon sa Laak Elementary School no, na brigada eskwela karon. Webis. Natadri karon mga hatag ta gross kaldo pag magpa-feeding program ta. Wala na gisugdanan, gitapok na sila no. Ano man hatag sila duol diri. Nagkapolike na ako mga kabrad no. Ang fraternity dai Alpha Kappa Rho Grand Fraternity.
Pangkamutan nga na makasulod ng mga investor dinhi kay para makatrabaho ang atong mga kaigsunan. Kamo din na importante nga ang mga katao pesos at saka 80 packs ng school supplies for Laak Central Elementary School Sped Center. May I request dito ka ma'am? May I request the presence of our master teacher to please stay with me here sa stage. Okay, Nami Award Kamalujay Certificate of Recognition. The certificate is presented to Honorable Luchay Limlao in grateful appreciation as sponsor and guest speaker in the Mrs. Bayanihan Queen 2024, one of the highlights of Brigada Eskwela 2024 at Laak Central Elementary School Sped Center in partnership with Department of Social Welfare and Development or DSWD. Given this 25th day of July 2024 at Laak Central Elementary School Sped Center. May I request also the presence of Festella, signed by our school principal to Leopoldo Siliego, duly represented by our master teacher to Vivian and Zafra. Teacher, ito na ito sir. Once again, palakpakan po natin!
Pangatag mo na bro, di mapagkaon.
Thank you so much. All right, ladies and gentlemen, last July 15 to 19, nagkaroon po ang Likha Dance Company ng isang workshop. At ang workshop ay hindi magiging successful without coaches. So, andito po yung mga coaches natin para magbigay aliw sa inyong lahat. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together to our Likha coaches.
Wala mas po. Poker ang nagloto.
Kana po.